What's going on, my ASVAB party people? Happy Thursday, Coach Anderson here, and in this quick video, I'm going to explain how next week we're doing something nice and fresh. We're going to be going over an arithmetic reasoning practice test in Monday and Tuesday's class coming up. Again, Monday, December 9th, Tuesday the 10th, we're going to be going over a free practice test. That way you can really get that test level feel, understand how to work through your mistakes, and ultimately raise that score. So here's how you're going to go ahead and get it. There's a link in my bio or the description of this video with access, free registration to that practice test. It'll also include the registration for the class in case you're not already registered. So when you are in, you'll go ahead and see this little thumbnail once you are in the website and you are looking to access it. Once you click it, it'll go ahead and open up the practice test right over here. And it'll basically give you this little welcome tutorial. But what you're going to do is you're going to go over here on the left side where you'll click section 2, free group tutoring classes. Once you click that, you'll go ahead and go down at the bottom and you see right here, upcoming class practice test, December 9th, 2024. So again, we'll be going over this practice test on Monday and Tuesday, and that way you can get all of the problems worked out and you're good. So there it is, my party people. You'll go ahead and click ready to start. And it'll show you all 16 questions. You'll be under a timer, 39 minutes, just like the arithmetic reasoning is timed for, and you're good. You can take it, see how you did. There'll be step-by-step solutions as well. But the video solutions where I'll be working it out with you, that's gonna be coming up again on Monday. So if you're looking to raise your score so you can get that job you want, don't hesitate, register, go ahead. You can also text me at 567-698-8867 if you have any questions about that upcoming free class or having trouble registering. But again, the link is in the bio or description of this video. That way you can get it, sign up, show up, and raise that score. So again, my party people, on Monday, we will be going over our arithmetic reasoning practice test. Don't forget to sign up and then show up, and we got this. As always, I love y'all, my party people. It's always about getting one day better, one day at a time. My name is Coach Anderson, and I'll see you in that next class. Cheers, everybody. See you in the next video.